Hello again, everybody. Today's Saturday, and just got over another cold. So what I'm going to do is it's pretty nice outside today, and it's a little cloudy. Really windy though. Every now and then I can feel the RV shaking from the wind, but it's like 70 degrees out. So I thought I'd get some fresh air, and so I found a trail. I was looking online and I found a hiking trail that's like a few miles away from here, so I thought I'd go out there and check it out today. It's a 2.2 miles long, and it goes through like swampland and through woods and stuff, so I thought it'd be pretty cool. I'm gonna check it out. I said watch out for wildlife though, so that part should be interesting. Maybe see some different wildlife. But yes, I'm going to get ready to go and see if I can find this trail, and I'm going to take the GoPro with me and see what I can see. So here we go. Alright, I just just found the trail. I actually just passed it. It wasn't showing up on my GPS, but I just found it, and getting ready to pull in. And I don't know how well you're going to be able to hear me if I do any talking out there. Like I said, it is really windy today, but do the best we can, and hopefully the wind won't be too bad. But yeah, here we go. Yeah, so this is what we're looking at on the trail. It's pretty cool. Bullet holes is not a good sign. I'm liking it so far. It only took maybe 5 minutes to get here from the campground, so I have no idea which way it leads. Got an arrow pointing that way and an arrow pointing that way. Well, there's a sign. I guess we'll go here. I don't know what all this is, but I'm seeing it all over the place. Ever since I got off the concrete, the whole trail's been covered in this stuff. I think I'm going to take a picture of this on my phone so I can look at it anytime on the trail. Just in case. Come across a little boardwalk. Yeah, I'm really liking this. I love these type of nature trails and boardwalks and stuff like that. Yeah, I can say right now, I already love this place. Not even hardly done any walking yet, and just like the atmosphere. It's really cool. And I like the fact that it's only a couple miles away from the campground, which is really nice. Come out here more often. But yep. Alright, I've already been here for a while, and that is where I'm at, and that's where I started. So, I have hardly seen anything yet. Got all of that. So, another trail going out that way. See, here's more of that stuff. It's like the whole trail is covered with that. I guess keep grass from growing on the trail, maybe. And I brought the GoPro this time because I didn't want to lug my big heavy camera around for the first time, not knowing what all's out here. Next time might decide to bring my big camera out if there's anything out here worth taking good pictures of. I have taken a few pictures with the GoPro, so anxious to see how those came out. I'll probably add those pictures at the end of this video, or edit them in the video somewhere. The trail goes this way, but there's something over here. Making a road, or something. Temperature's perfect out here for doing this too. It was like 68 degrees when I checked. So don't have any, not too hot, not too cold, just perfect. Check out this, I believe it's a pine tree. It has fallen. It's propped up against this tree, and it looks like it's still growing. Still got pine needles and pine cones on it, unless it just fell. That's pretty cool. As a kid, I would have loved to have made some forts or something back in there. Hole in the tree. Gunshots. That's not good. Check out this tree. All of the branches are going toward the left side. There's nothing on the right side of it, or the back, or whatever. Alright, now we're up here. Looks like I've made it to Beaver Pond. And looks like that is the halfway point. And it has only taken me about 35 minutes. Like I said, trail's only supposed to take about an hour. But just taking my time, checking everything out. Hope I can see this pond. I'm not seeing much of a pond. Those roots look like just a bunch of snakes curled up. So that's where socks come from. They actually grow on trees. Alright, looks like we have made it to Beaver Pond. And I have yet to see a drop of water. Although it looks like it would be a big pond. I'll have to come out here after it's rained a bunch. Excellent plant to pick. Take some back and put it in the RV. I really don't like the fact that every sign that I see has a bullet hole in it, and I can hear gunshots out in the distance. It does not make me feel good. For example, another one. Gotta love people. People are just... Why would you have to shoot the signs? Makes no sense. But it just shows that not everybody's born with a brain. So, it just makes me mad seeing stuff like that. Whole bunch of gunfire right there. Someone's got a lot of land and they're just target practice or what it is, but I thought this was like 3,000 acres or something like that. This tree has 2 other trees growing out of it. Bed or something back there. Here we go. A couple brand new signs with no bullet holes. Let's see if the next time I come here, if there's any bullet holes in them. Okay, I started here, and I believe this was where I saw the first sign and took the picture. It's either there or I guess it was right here. Made it all the way around. Saw the wetlands, beaver pond, live oak forest, and now we're here on this boardwalk again. So, trail is almost complete. And it's 2.3 miles. And it has taken me 52 minutes. Yeah, I definitely gotta come back when there's after it's rained or something. When all of the streams and the ponds full of water. I think that'd look really cool. Looks like someone's been driving a four-wheeler or something in there. Alright, I just saw this and I just thought it was funny. Just a little stump in the ground right here. But as soon as I saw it, first thing that popped in my head was the movie Tremors. It just reminded me of those little giant man-eating worms or whatever coming out of the ground. I just thought it was funny. Someone else has been out here today. That's fresh. Looks like some kind of nest or something. See more of that stuff. All right, just past the sign. That first sign of the start of the trail. So we are back to pretty much back to where we started. That's a pretty good trail. A little over an hour. I think I'll definitely come back and said, I don't care for the gunshots and the bullet holes in the sign, but hopefully I'll be here when those people aren't here. So the trees are in a perfect line.